Om Shanti. 1st July 2020. Babdada's Sakar Murli. In the essence, Baba says, sweet children open big shops, centers in the big cities. Have meetings, make plans, and think about how to increase service. Question. Everyone knows about physical wonders, but what is the biggest wonder of all that only you children know about? Answer. The biggest wonder of all is that the Father, the bestower of salvation for all, Himself comes and teaches us in order to tell everyone about this wonderful thing. You have to have a lot of show at your shops, because it is only when people see a lot of show that they go somewhere. Therefore, the best and biggest shop should be in the capital so that everyone can come and understand. Song. To live in your lane and to die in your lane. Om Shanti. God Shiva speaks. It can also be said God Rudra speaks, because it is not the rosary of Shiva that is remembered. The rosary that human being turns so much on the path of devotion is called the rosary of Rudra. It is the same thing, but Shiv Baba teaches you the right way. It should be the other name, but the name rosary of Rudra has continued. Therefore, it also has to be explained that there is no difference between Shiva and Rudra. It is in the intellects of you children that you have to make good efforts and come close in Baba's rosary. You are given an example of how children race to their goal, touch it, and then come back and stand beside the teacher. You children know that you have been around the cycle of 84 births. You now have to go and be threaded in the rosary first. That race is of human students, whereas this is a spiritual race. You cannot have that race. This is a matter of souls. Souls don't become young or old, or bigger or smaller. Souls remain the same size. You souls have to remember your Father. There is no question of difficulty in this. Although some become slack in studying this, what difficulty is there in this remembrance? None at all. All souls are brothers. In that race, young ones would run faster. That doesn't apply here. You children race in order to be threaded in the rosary of Rudra. It is in your intellects that there is a tree of you souls. That is the rosary of all human beings who belong to Shiv Baba. It isn't a rosary of just 108 or 16,108. No, it is the rosary of all human beings. You children understand that all will go and become present number-wise in their own religion, and that they will go to the same place again every cycle. This too is a wonder. No one else in the world knows about these things. Among you too, those who have broad, unlimited intellects are able to understand these things. The only concern you children should have in your intellects is how to show everyone the path. This is the rosary of Vishnu. From the beginning there is the genealogical tree. There are also the branches and twigs. There are tiny souls up there and there are human beings here. Then all souls will go and stand there accurately. These are wonderful matters. The physical wonders that people go to see are nothing. It is such a wonder that the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, the bestower of salvation for all, Himself comes and teaches us. Krishna wouldn't be called the bestower of salvation to all. You have to imbibe all of these points. The main aspect is, who is the God of the Gita? Once you gain victory in this, that's all you need. The Gita is the mother, the jewel of all scriptures spoken by God. You have to try this first. Nowadays, people want a lot of show. Many people rush to shops where there is a lot of show because they believe that there will be very good things there. Some children are worried that they would have to give 1 or 200,000 deposit for rent to open a large center, as that's the only way they would find a building they like. There should be just one big royal shop. Big shops are open in big cities. The biggest shop you have should be in the capital. You children should learn how to increase service. When you open big shops, big important people will come. Then the sound for big important people spreads quickly. Try to do this first. Create a huge place for service in a big city so that important people come and see it and will be amazed. Those who explain at such places also have to be first class. When a Brahma Kumari who is not so clever explains, people think that all Brahma Kumaris are like that. Therefore, there has to be the first class salesman at the shops. All of this is a business too, is it not? The father says. When you children have courage, Bab Dada helps. That perishable wealth is not going to be useful at all. You have to earn your imperishable income just as this Brahma did. There will be benefit for many in this. No one starves to death. You are able to eat, this one also eats. The food and drink you receive here cannot be received anywhere else. Everything here belongs to the children. You children have to establish your own kingdom. You need very broad and unlimited intellects for this. When your name is glorified in the capital, everyone will believe that what you say is the truth, that only God can make you into the masters of the world. Human beings cannot make human beings into the masters of the world. Baba continues to advise you how to make service expand. Service will expand when children become generous hearted. Do whatever you do with great generosity. To carry out an auspicious task by yourself is very good. It is said, those who do something without being told are deities. Those who do it after being told are human beings. And those who don't do anything even after being told are. Baba is the bestower. He is not going to tell anyone to do something or to spend a certain amount for a task. No. Baba has explained that great kings are never tight-fisted. Kings are always bestowers. Baba advises you about what you should go and do. A lot of caution is also required. Maya has to be conquered. Your status then becomes very high. The results will be announced at the end. Those who pass with good marks will be very happy. At the end, all of you will have visions of what you have done. However, what could be done at that time? Each of you will receive whatever is in your fortune. Making effort is a different matter. The Father tells you children to have broad intellects. You are now becoming righteous souls. Many righteous souls in the world have been and gone. They are very famous, so and so was a very righteous person. Some people acquire a great deal of money and then suddenly die. A trust is then formed. When a child is not reliable, a trustee is appointed for him. At this time, it is a world of sinful souls. People donate money to big gurus, etc. For example, the Maharaja of the Kashmir willed all of his wealth to the Arya Samajis so that their religion would expand. What do you now have to do? What religion do you have to expand? You just have the one original eternal deity religion. No one knows that you are once again establishing that religion. Establishment takes place through Brahma. You children must now stay in remembrance of the One. You purity, the whole world with the power of you purify the whole world with the power of your remembrance, because a pure world is needed for you. When it is set ablaze, it will be purified. Anything that has been spoiled can be purified by fire. All impure elements are burned in a fire, so that only pure matter remains. You know that this world is very dirty and tamopradhan. It has to be made satopradhan. This is the sacrificial fire of knowledge. You are Brahmins. You know that many things have been written in the scriptures in connection with the sacrificial fire. The name of Daksh Prajapita is also mentioned. So, what happened to the sacrificial fire of the knowledge of Rudra? They sat and wrote so many stories about that. There is no proper description of the sacrificial fire. Only the Father comes and explains everything. You children have now created the sacrificial fire of knowledge on the basis of Srimad. This is the sacrificial fire of knowledge, and it is also a university. Knowledge and a sacrificial fire are two separate things. A sacrificial fire has to have offerings put into it. The Father, the ocean of knowledge, comes and creates the sacrificial fire. This is a very important sacrificial fire into which the whole of the old world is to be sacrificed. You children have to make plans for service. You can also go and serve in the villages, etc. Many people tell you to give this knowledge to the poor. They simply advise you. They themselves don't do anything. They don't do service themselves, but simply tell you to do this and that. That it is very good, but that they themselves don't have the time. They say this knowledge is very good. Everyone should receive this knowledge. Those people consider themselves to be important and senior, and you to be junior to them. You have to remain very cautious. Together with that study, you also have this study. By being educated, you learn how to talk to people and develop good manners. Uneducated ones are ignorant. They don't have the sense to talk to people correctly. Important people should always be spoken to in a respectful way, saying up. There are even some here who addresses their husbands impolitely. To use respectful terms is royal. Eminent people should always be spoken to respectfully. Therefore, Baba advises you, Delhi that used to be the Paristan has to be made into Paristan again. Therefore, everyone in Delhi has to be given the message. Very good advertising has to take place. Baba also continues to give you topics. Make a list of topics and continue to write. Come and understand how peace can be brought to the world. Come and understand how to become free from diseases for 21 births. Things of such great happiness should be written. Come inside and become free from disease and double crowned in the golden age for 21 births. Definitely use the expression golden aged. In everything you write, make sure it's in beautiful writing so that people become happy when they see it. Such boards with pictures should also be put up outside your homes. Carry on with your business, etc., but also continue to do service at the same time. You don't do business throughout the whole day. You simply have to supervise everything. It is the assistant manager who do the work. Some rich and generous businessman would give a good salary to their assistant and appoint them to the position. This here is unlimited service. Every other service is limited. You need a very broad and unlimited intellect to do this unlimited service. We are now conquering the world. We are also conquering death and becoming immortal. Many will come inside and try to understand when they see such writing as come inside and understand how you can become the masters of the land of immortality. You can find many topics. You can make anyone into a master of the world. There is no name or trace of sorrow there. You children should have so much happiness that has Baba come to make us into ones again. You children understand that the old world has to become new. Death is standing just ahead. You can see how wars continue to take place. When the Great World War takes place, the whole play will come to an end. You know this very well. The father says with a lot of love, sweet children, the sovereignty of the world is for you. You were the masters of the world. You experienced a lot of happiness in Bharat. Ravan's kingdom doesn't exist there. Therefore, you should have such great happiness. You children should meet together and discuss these things. Publicize it in the newspaper. Drop leaflet from an aeroplane over Delhi. Send out invitations. This won't incur a lot of expense. If a senior officer were to come and understand this knowledge, he might even do that free of charge. Baba advises you that in a city like Calcutta, there should be a big first-class royal shop in the square. Many customers would then come. Publicize it in the newspaper. Drop leaflet from an aeroplane over Delhi. You children should have the intoxication that God is teaching you. Your aim and objective of becoming Narayan from an ordinary human is in front of you. Those who were the first to start unadulterated devotion are the ones who will come and make effort to claim a high status. Baba explains such good points. You children forget them, which is why Baba tells you to write them down. Continue to write down the topics. Doctors study books. You too are the masters of spiritual surgeons. You are taught how to give injection to souls. This injection is of knowledge. No needle etc. is used for this. Baba is the eternal surgeon. He comes and teaches souls. It is souls that have become impure. This is very easy. The Father is making us into the masters of the world, so should we not remember Him? There is a lot of opposition from Maya. This is why Baba says, keep your chart and think about service and you will have a lot of happiness. If there is no yoga, then no matter how well someone may give knowledge, it would be very difficult for him to remain honest with the Father. If you feel that you are very clever and progressing well, you should send your chart of remembrance to Baba so that Baba can understand to what extent you are telling the truth or not. Acha, you children have been told that you have to become salesmen of the imperishable jewels of knowledge. Acha. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bab Dada. The spiritual father says namaste to the spiritual children. The spiritual children in return to the spiritual father says good morning, namaste, namaste, namaste. Essence for dharana. Point number 1. Keep your aim and objective in front of you and remain intoxicated. Become master spiritual surgeons and give everyone an injection of knowledge. Together with doing service, also keep a chart of remembrance and you will remain happy. Point number 2. Have good manners when in conversation with others. Address others respectfully. Be generous-hearted in every task. Blessing. May you become a constant embodiment of success in the service of world benefit with the practical example of your benefiting yourself. May you become a constant embodiment of success in the service of world benefit with the practical example of your benefiting yourself. Nowadays, almost all illness are of heart failure. In the same way, in terms of spiritual progress, there is more illness of being disheartened. By seeing a practical transformation is disheartened souls, people develop courage and power. They have heard a lot and now wish to see something. They want to bring about transformation by seeing an example. So, for world benefit, first of all, show them the sample of your benefiting yourself. The way to become an embodiment of success in the service of world benefit is a practical example, and the Father's revelation will only take place through this. They will only accept everything when they see the things you speak about in a practical way in your form. A slogan: to harmonize your ideas with those of others is to give regard. To harmonize your ideas with those of others is to give regard. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Om Shanti.